Alright, so I still have a lot of colors left over from all my pours that I've been doing recently. These are the colors we have. All the colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. There's no oil in any of these colors with the exception of cerulean blue. So cerulean blue does have oil in it, but it is the only color that does. So I wanted to use these colors because I don't want them to go to waste. So we're going to just layer the cup real quick. I'm going to put the cerulean blue after every layer, because it is the only color that has the oil in it. And I would love to be able to create some really cool cells. Probably gonna have to spin the heck out of it. Where I normally use too much paint, I think I have a very small amount of paint this time. So I'm gonna get all this red out of here. And then we will go back to the cerulean blue a little bit. And now the rest of these colors are going to be towards the bottom of the layers. They may never even get exposed, so not too concerned. I'm going to let this white churn through, hopefully pulling some of that oil throughout. I'm going to use the rest of the cerulean blue here. And we have a little magenta left, and that's all we got. My little buddy's outside hollering. Lord forbid he was left alone for a few moments. Can already see some cells coming out. My hands are covered in paint, so my face is probably covered in paint. All right, we'll just flip. Wow, all right. I really like the colors in this one. And the deep red stayed really deep. It's nice. So what I'm gonna do, instead of heat gun, I'm gonna pop all the bubbles with the torch, but since I use the Artist Lock pouring medium, cells are gonna go crazy in this thing, so. There we go. Woo! Look at them colors. All right, let me spin this. Get a nice good coverage across the whole thing. Some of those colors look gray while it's spinning. Oh, that's lovely. Wow. Beautiful right there. We didn't get all the way to one side, so let's see if we have enough in here. Where do we got the most? I got a little bit of cerulean blue left. Oh, that was cool, huh? I just dripped it across the entire canvas trying to put blue on. See, I make mistakes all the time. All right, so we're gonna spin it. And while it's spinning, I'm gonna torch it, because magic. That should have created a few more cells, but we'll see. It did, it created little baby cells all over the place. That's cool. That's nuts. Wherever you put the flame, little cells just come to the surface. All right. That is really beautiful. It's like perfect red, white, blue. Like there's no muddying, there's no nothing. I'm gonna spin it one last time. Make those cells kind of stretch to little oblong shapes. That looks really cool. Wow. All right, well, let me bring you guys down and check it out. All these cells look so different. Maybe I'll start spinning it more after the cell creation process just to get some really interesting looking shapes. I think my favorite part though is down here, where you can see there's some really good like color distinction between the red and the white and the blue. Colors didn't really mix too much at all.